proceed tayo sa charging system. Okay, yung charging system, so the basic components of charging system is battery, main fuse, and then ignition switch, and then the alternator assembly. Ito yung tinatawag na alternator assembly. Okay, so as you can see on the image, so that is the alternator. Okay, so yung alternator natin is divided into two major parts. Okay, so yung two major parts is the stator. Ito yung tinatawag na stator assembly. And then ito naman yung rotor assembly. Okay, yung from the word stator, meaning ito yung tinatawag na stationary parts. So hindi siya umiikot or walang moving parts, stationary. Yung rotor naman yun ang umiikot, yung naga-move. It is driven by belt. Mayroon siyang tinatawag na pulley, then shaft, and then mga rotor finger, and then rotor coil. Yun ang tinatawag na rotor assembly, or yung iba ang tawag dyan is armature. Pero sa alternator, ang identification niyan is rotor. Balik tayo dito sa stator. Actually, yung stator natin is there are two types of stator winding. Mayroon tayong tinatawag na Y connection at saka delta connection. Okay, yung Y connection, ito yung example ng Y connection. So normally yung coil ng stator is mayroon siyang dalawang end-to-end na wiring connection. So yung end-to-end ng wiring connection sa Y connection is common connection siya. Ito yung tinatawag na neutral connection. Okay? So yung another end sa three windings connected siya, ito yung tinatawag na alternating current supply. Ito yung tatlo. So bali easy ang current na nag-generate dito once na mayroong magnetism ang ating rotor. Okay? So dito madadaan yung alternating current. So alam naman natin na yung battery is DC or direct current. So para ma-convert ang alternating current into direct current, so kailangan ng rectifier. So ang tawag dito is rectifier assembly. Okay, so yung rectifier assembly or yung tinatawag natin na mga diodes, we have 6 diodes here. So yung 6 diode is naka series connection, series and parallel connection. So yung positive side ng diode is connected siya sa ground, and then yung negative side ng diode terminal or yung positive or negative terminal of diode or cathode terminal is connected to positive side of the battery. Okay? So yun lang siya guys. So bali dito is DC yung output dito. Naka-divided na yung alternating current. Bali yung current is direct current na dito. Dito na portion is DC na. So yung portion na to, so sa alternator, yun ang identification nito, ito yung output. So bali dito yung charging niya na portion papuntang main fuse bago papunta doon sa positive side ng battery. And then ito na side naman is naka-direct ground to sa alternator body. Okay? So and then yung stator, ito yung AC, naga-generate ng alternating current, and then yung rotor, ito naman yung naga-generate ng magnetic field. Okay, so how does it happens? So yung rotor coil is winding din siya, 1,000 of turns, and then yung end-to-end ng rotor coil natin is naka-connect siya sa tinatawag na slip ring. Okay, yung slip ring is doon naka-connect yung carbon brass. Kung saan yung carbon brass, naka-ride on ang carbon brass sa slip ring para makadaloy yung carbon brass natin is act as a bridge of current para maka-connect siya dito sa ating rotor coil. Okay, so yung connection naman ng carbon brass is galing siya sa tinatawag natin na regulator. Okay, so kung walang regulator, hindi pwede. Para ma-prevent yung overcharging or undercharging, so kailangan ng regulator. Okay, so yung regulator natin na diagram natin dito is IC. So pinakita ko lang yung block diagram ng IC. So actually complicated yung circuit dito sa ilalim, marami pa tong mga electronic components. So yung principle lang yung pinakita ko dito. So mayroon siyang positive at saka negative na connection. At the same time mayroon din siyang connection na papuntang driver's compartment, which is the discharge warning lamp or indicator light. Okay, so yung battery sign na symbol. Okay. Then ito yung positive supply from the fuse. And then yung ito 12 volts ang supply dito. Mayroon siyang directly connected siya sa ground, and then mayroon ding connection sa positive. Then yung output dito na dadaloy yung current na supply dito sa carbon brass papuntang rotor coil is regulated by IC regulator. Okay? So IC is integrated circuit. So ganun ang nangyayari sa ating charging system. So next naman is pag-usapan natin ngayon ang ignition system.